Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making your first authenticated call. Set up a project, enable the Gemini API, and create a service account with the roles you need. Then download the JSON key. Install the official client library for your language and configure Google application credentials to point to that key. Once done, write a minimal request. Initialize the client, set model name, and send a short prompt to verify you receive a valid response and no permission errors. Now implement the core interaction patterns and error handling. Construct structured payloads with prompts, context, and parameters such as temperature and max tokens, and choose streaming for lower latency or full completions for simplicity. Parse return JSON for text, tokens, and metadata, and integrate answer post-processing. Also implement rate limit handling. Inspect headers, apply exponential backoff, and queue requests if needed. Make sure to log requests and responses securely for debugging, while finish by validating inputs and deploying your app. Confirm model names and region settings, validate encodings and content limits, and run end-to-end tests against typical prompts. Configure monitoring, quota alerts, and cost controls in Cloud Console to avoid surprises. If things go wrong, first refresh credentials and confirm IAM roles, then check error payloads for rate limits or malformed requests. If streaming stalls, retry with smaller payloads, and enable verbose logs for the client to pinpoint network or parsing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.